Hey everyone, welcome back to another Gilmore Friday. My name is Taylor and this is Budget with Taylor. So happy Friday guys, which is also Halloween, so happy Halloween. Anyway, again, this is our Gilmore Friday, and in today's video I will be adding $75 into my Gilmore binder. So yeah, so the decor for this binder is listed on my Etsy and available on my Instagram. As you guys dang near chop my head off if I did not list this decor. So it is listed. So definitely check it out. I know I have placed some orders, but for those that were interested and did not know, it is available on my Etsy, or you can message me on Instagram, because that's how I've been taking like yeah, the orders. Like, I have it listed on Etsy, but I don't see where anyone has ordered it from Etsy, so I don't know if it was just those people. But yeah, either way, it's listed on my Etsy and Instagram. All right, so $75 is going into our Gilmore binder, and we're just gonna start here. Yeah. Oh, I completely forgot to. I had an idea in mind and I completely forgot to do it, but it's okay. All right, so let me grab my handy dandy calculator. Okay, so here's our handy dandy calculator, and this is where we last left off. So yeah, so like I was saying, I had an idea in mind for this, but it is what it is. But we do have an extra dollar in this challenge, and we have $75 on the clock. So let's just roll to see what item we are going to purchase today from Luke's. And I hope you guys are having a great Friday. So I believe we last left off here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to do Luke's flannel special, which is a meatloaf and mashed potatoes. All right, so this challenge is, well, that cost us $12. So minus 12, so 10, 12. And if you guys saw my Strange Wizard Wednesday, then you would know that I did like a mini like audit or whatever, and I was off by like 80 or 90 something dollars. So I think I'm gonna do that with this binder, even though we are continuing this into the month of November, because I just feel like this challenge fits the autumn theme. But yeah, so anyway, let's continue. So next up we have, oh, and that was my challenge. This is my challenge. And next up we have this challenge. I'm trying to figure out which one I completed, but I see now. All right, so we have $63 left. So we last left off here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not even Animal Planet does it for me anymore. I feel like that is something Kirk would say. So that is $5. I feel like that is something Kirk would say. I wish we can like bubble it in. All right, so that one is complete. Ooh, and then next up, oh, this is a heavy hitter. This might be a short video. We have my my Friday night rolls. So let's grab my wet erase marker. Okay, we got $58 left. So wherever the wind blows. Number 3. Oh, so we have a meal. So I believe this meal, so we have the entree, we have the drinks, the entree, and then the drinks, the appetizers, and the entree. And I believe the entrees are $15. So minus 15. So 10, 15. All right, so that is it for our Friday night roll. And then we have this Star Hollows challenge. And let's just roll the dice to see. So we have a 2 and a 1. So save $1. Hey, who am I to argue with the dice? Okay. All right, so that is that one. And we can do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. a 5, and a 2, a donut. All right, so that is that 6? No, it's $5. So minus 5, so $6 just went into this challenge. All right, so we have $37 left. And then let's see, this one, let's roll the dice. So we have, I think we last left off here. So 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna scratch this one off. All right, so for this challenge, we're gonna save $5. So we have $32 left. Oh, I forgot. Okay, so this is where we completed one of those challenges. So we need to add in one of these challenges from the 2 Texas chicks. And I think I'm gonna do, I feel like we already got one like that. I smell snow. Let's do this one. I like that one. Yeah, that one's cute. Well, they're all cute, but I think I'm just gonna make these $2 each. So I'm just gonna roll to see how many we're gonna take off. Okay, who am I to argue with the dice? Alrighty, so we're gonna take off $2. And I hate the way that X came out. There's that one. And then we have my Smells Like a Gilmore Girl rewatch. And again, we're just going to scratch this one. And I'm just going in order. Okay, and for this challenge, we're gonna save 10. So minus 10. $20. Oh boy. Let's see. Probably have an IOU. Perfect! Thank you, Lord. That was perfect. Okay, so $20. Again, who am I? That was like on the nail. I love it. Okay, so $20 is going into this challenge. Okay, so that was our full $75. So that was perfect. Like, that was perfect. And that's the last challenge we left off on. So the next time we play, we will pick up here. Okay, so now let's do just a little like auditing, I guess. So all together in this challenge, we should have $30 save. So there's no condensing that. So this one is good. All right, and then next we have, oh, let me put this there before I forget. All right, and then next we have this Help Rory Graduate, and we were able to save so far 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. 40. Okay, I guess we do need that. Need a 50 prop bill. Let me grab a couple of those. Okay, I have some 50s. Okay, so this one is good. All right, then next up we have Luke's Diner. We were able to save 12 so far, plus the tip dollar. Uh-oh, wait a minute. 12, 10, 12, 14. Did I just mess something up? Okay, yeah, 26. Okay. I feel like I just like messed that up, but it's okay. My phone is going off. Why are y'all not in bed? It's probably like 10 o'clock. Go to bed. Don't y'all got work in the morning? All right, so next up, we were able to save 10, 15, 20, so $20 in this challenge. So plus 20. All right, in our Friday night roll, so far we were able to save 10, oops, 20, 30, 45. So $45. 172 is what we are at so far. Plus 5. Hey, see, I'm about to stop. I'm about to just stop. Okay, so we got... I'm getting discouraged, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe because it's late. Yeah, I need to take my butt to bed too. All right, so next up, this plus this, Taylor. All right, so we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. So plus 27. All right, and for this one, we were able to save 26, so plus 26, yep. And then for this one, which is new, so plus 2. Oh, and then we actually completed a challenge. I forgot about that one. And this one, we were able to save 10, 20, 25, 27, 29. 20, 20, 20, 25, 27, 28. For this one, we're able to save 20, 40, 50, 60. 320. What am I doing? Yes. Let's grab a 50. So 320 plus the challenge that we completed earlier this month. I don't remember how much that was, but let's just count. Pretty much that's not reallocated, but you know, like condense it away. So 320. So we have 100, 50, 150, 20, 40, 60, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so I don't know, $30 more. Yeah, I don't know, and I ain't worried about it. It is what it is. As long as this is mathing, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. Like, that's that. But that is it, you guys. That is it for our Gilmore Fridays. I'll figure everything else off camera or whatever, see what's going on. But again, I am loving the series, and hopefully you guys are joining me for this Gilmore Friday. If not, then what are you doing? But as always, I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.